It starts as a glimmer in the night sky, brighter than any star, growing closer. In just 72 hours it will hit. No force on Earth can stop it. The question isn't if humanity will survive, but how much of it will remain. This is not just any asteroid, it's a super asteroid. 10 kilometers across, moving at 25 kilometers per second. The same size as the rock that wiped out the dinosaurs. But with one key difference, we know it's coming. It will strike in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. The force, the equivalent of billions of Hiroshima bombs. A blast so powerful it could boil the sea, tear the sky, and rewrite the map of the planet forever. Day 1. The world watches in stunned silence. Stock markets crash, borders close. Survivalists vanish into bunkers. The internet becomes a torrent of last messages, final calls, and desperate prayers. Day 2. Governments announce Operation Ark. Massive underground vaults open, built for nuclear war, now repurposed for planetary survival. Seats are limited, only the wealthiest, most influential, and a handful of scientists and engineers are chosen. Day 3. The asteroid enters the atmosphere. The sky ignites. People hundreds of kilometers away feel the air heat to the touch. Impact. The ocean explodes upward, a wall of water 4 kilometers high racing in every direction. The shockwave vaporizes islands. Tsunamis smash into every coastline within hours. Coastal cities, Tokyo, Los Angeles, Sydney, vanish beneath boiling waves. Dust, rock, and steam rise into the stratosphere, blotting out the sun. Day turns to night. Temperatures plunge. The impact, winter begins. In the darkness, the survivors wait. Months pass. Crops fail. Animals die. The air grows thin and cold. For the first time in human history, our enemy is not each other, but the planet itself. But something unexpected happens. Rival nations begin sharing resources. Scientists collaborate without borders. In the shadow of extinction, humanity remembers that it is one species. Yet new questions emerge. Who decides which culture survives? Which knowledge is preserved? And if we rebuild, will we make the same mistakes? Years later, the ash begins to settle. Sunlight returns. Weak, but warm. The survivors step out into a silent, altered Earth. The continents are scarred, the oceans reshaped. Humanity has a second chance. But as they look to the stars, they see new lights moving across the night sky. More asteroids, more messengers from the deep past. And the question hangs in the cold air. Will we be ready next time? Or will the universe erase us again?